Today, we're about to embark on a journey to discover the remarkable powers of a humble leafy green that holds the key to two common yet persistent problems that many of us face: constipation and neck pain. You see, we've all been there, that uneasy feeling of bloating and discomfort when our digestion hits a roadblock, or that nagging neck pain that hinders us from fully enjoying our days. But fear not, because I have a secret weapon to share with you that can ease your discomfort and transform your well-being. Meet Kale, the superstar of the vegetable world. Now you might be wondering, what's so special about this leafy green? Well, not only is kale packed with a host of essential nutrients, but it's also a powerhouse when it comes to two vital vitamins that can work wonders for your body: vitamin A and vitamin C. But before we delve deeper into kale's superhero qualities, just a few reminders. 1, this video is for entertainment and educational purposes only. It is in no way meant to be a substitute for medical guidance. And 2, make sure to subscribe to Do Remedy Do Cure, where we can dive into the wonderful world of nutrition and health together. The cruciferous plant family, which also contains broccoli and cauliflower, also includes kale. So let's take a moment to appreciate this incredible leaf. It is well known for its distinct flavor and adaptability in the kitchen, making it a favorite of both chefs and health enthusiasts. This remarkable green is high in vitamin C, a potent antioxidant that supports a strong immune system and lowers inflammation, as well as vitamin A, which supports good vision and immune function. Now you might be wondering how kale may possibly aid in neck discomfort and constipation. That's why I'm here today, to let you know about the incredible advantages of kale that go far beyond its use as a basic salad element. So my mission in this video is clear. I want to empower you with the knowledge to show you the path towards a healthier, happier you, all with the incredible power of kale. Let's get started. When bowel movements become irregular or challenging, constipation results. It means that you're not able to urinate as frequently or as easily as you should. Constipation can be brought on by a lack of fiber in your diet, a sedentary lifestyle, some medications, and dehydration. Bloating, abdominal pain, and a sense of heaviness can all be symptoms of constipation, which can be very uncomfortable. Other health problems, including hemorrhoids, cracks, and even a buildup of toxins in the body, might result from it as well. It can negatively impact your general well-being and quality of life the longer it continues. When it comes to regular healthy bowel movements, fiber is like the superhero sidekick. Your stool will gain weight as a result, making it simpler to move through the digestive system. Fiber also aids in maintaining a proper water balance in the intestines, which prevents feces from hardening and becoming difficult to pass. Here's where kale comes into play. Due to its high fiber content, kale can be a lifesaver in the fight against constipation. It contains a lot of the kind of fiber that's necessary for healthy digestion and regular bowel motions. You may introduce a healthy and efficient strategy to keep your digestive system functioning normally by including kale in your diet. Now let's talk numbers. Kale boasts an impressive amount of dietary fiber, making it a true champion in the fight against constipation. Just 1 cup of cooked kale contains around 5 grams of fiber, which is about 20% of your recommended daily intake. That's more fiber than you'd find in many other vegetables, making kale a real standout when it comes to keeping your digestive system happy. How does all that fiber actually work its magic in your digestive system? Well, picture this. As you consume kale and its rich fiber content, that fiber acts as a gentle broom, sweeping through your intestines and helping you move waste along. This smooth movement of waste prevents it from getting stuck and causing constipation. The result? Regular, comfortable bowel movements that leave you feeling light and refreshed. But wait, there's more. Kale is not just a one-trick pony. Alongside its fiber content, it's packed with other essential nutrients that support your overall digestive health. For instance, kale is loaded with vitamins and minerals like vitamin K, which aids in blood clotting and bone health, as well as folate, which is vital for cell repair and growth. But this superhero doesn't stop there. The other nutrients found in kale contribute to the overall harmony of your digestive health, making it a true superfood for your gut. Imagine waking up in the morning eager to face the day. But oh no, that annoying neck discomfort is there. Numerous things such as spending hours slumped over our cell phones or laptops, which result in bad posture, can contribute to neck pain. Additionally, it might develop when we are under stress or carrying large loads, resulting in muscle tension that makes us feel stiff and uneasy. Neck pain occasionally results from inflammation brought on by wounds or underlying diseases. But you do not have to worry. relief could just be a leafy green away. Neck pain affects more than just our daily lives. It can also negatively impact our general health. It can make even the simplest things difficult, such as turning your head to check for traffic while driving, focusing at work, or getting a good night's sleep. It may make us feel worn out, agitated, and unable to completely appreciate life's simple joys. But knowledge truly is power, and with a little assistance from our friend Kale, we can move closer to putting an end to that discomfort. You might be asking yourself, how in the world can Kale possibly help with your neck pain? Well, this is where vitamin C's superpowers are put to use. The quantity of vitamin C in kale is one of the main factors contributing to its anti-neck pain benefits. Collagen, a structural protein that is necessary for maintaining the general health of connective tissues, particularly those in the neck region, is synthesized with the help of vitamin C. Collagen aids in giving tendons, ligaments, and muscle strength and flexibility, lowering the likelihood of neck strain and tension. This can provide much-needed relaxation for those stiff neck muscles in particular. So kale not only helps to prevent constipation, but also flexes its superpowers to combat the annoying neck ache. Isn't that amazing? But hold on tight. We're only beginning to explore kale's potent potential. Kale is not only rich in vitamin C, but also packed with a powerful team of antioxidants. These little warriors help protect your body from free radicals, those pesky molecules that can cause damage to your cells and contribute to inflammation. By incorporating kale into your diet, you're arming your body with the tools necessary to fight off those free radicals, which can have a positive impact on your muscle and joint health. So say goodbye to those achy neck muscles and hello to a happier, more relaxed you. Now that we know kale's superpowers, it's time to put them to good use. The best part is that there are countless delicious and creative ways to enjoy this leafy green. You can toss it into salads or saute it with your favorite veggies, like my favorites, garlic, onion, and mushrooms. You can blend it into a refreshing smoothie in a blender and add the following: fresh kale leaves, washed and stems removed, frozen berries and banana, plain yogurt, sweetener of choice, nut milk of choice. Blend all of the ingredients on high speed until smooth and creamy. Taste the smoothie and adjust sweetness if necessary by adding more sweetener. You can even bake it into crispy kale chips by placing the washed kale leaves on a baking sheet to bake for 20 minutes at 300 degrees after coating them with olive oil and garlic powder. Kale already has sodium in it, so I usually omit it, but you can sprinkle it with salt after baked if you prefer. The options are endless, and the more you experiment with incorporating kale into your meals, the more benefits you'll reap. From nutrient-packed salads that will leave you feeling energized to mouth-watering smoothies that soothe your neck pain, kale offers a world of culinary possibilities. It's also an inexpensive option to get in your veggies. One bunch of kale usually costs less than a few dollars. Plus, with all these delectable options, you'll never get bored with your new kale-infused diet. So are you ready to unlock the full potential of kale and experience the wonders it can bring to your body? I encourage you to give it a try and see the magic happen. Get creative, have fun in the kitchen, and let kale become a trusty sidekick in your quest to a healthier, pain-free life. Remember, little changes can lead to big improvements. In conclusion, we've embarked on an exciting journey into the world of kale and its incredible potential to address two common problems: constipation and neck pain. We've learned that kale's fiber content can promote healthy bowel movements, while its antioxidants and vitamin C can aid in reducing inflammation and supporting muscle and joint health. If you got value out of this video, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any of our other videos. Remember, the power to improve your health and well-being is within your reach, and Kale is here to guide you every step of the way. So let's toast to Kale, the ultimate solution to not only conquer constipation, but also bid farewell to that pesky neck pain. Thank you for joining me on this fiber-packed and kale-tastic adventure.